Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial from Biggerplate.com showing you how to add notes into your Ayoa mind maps. Notes are just a useful way of adding additional information to your mind map that aren't displayed on the surface level, so it just helps to keep things nice and clean but ensures that you can put sufficient information into the map. So to add a note, you simply click on the topic you wish to add the note to. You get this pop-out menu, and if you hit the I button here, you'll get this sidebar pop out, and if we come up to Notes in the top toolbar, you'll see it says click to add notes, and here we can type in, this is a note. If I say save changes, you'll see we get this little icon appears here with the 3 lines that shows that a note is attached. This sidebar will now stay open and it will allow me to add additional notes to other topics. So for example, if I click on add, click to add notes, this is another note. And again, save changes. To edit a note, you can simply click on the little icon here, the little 3 lines, and if I click on that, it'll bring that pop-up window or that sidebar out once again, and I can see the note that I've written, and I can also click in here and make changes to it. So this is another note, by the way. Save changes. To delete a note, I simply delete the text within this sidebar. So if I double click on here and delete this text and then hit save changes, you'll see when I click off the sidebar the note has disappeared. So that little icon down here is now gone and the note has gone with it. Hopefully that's all you need to start using the note functionality within Ayoa. For more Ayoa templates, tutorials and training, visit biggerplate.com.